everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Sanidhi Umesh Mulimani. So, have you ever seen or looked closely to our Indian currency notes? They don't just have Mahatma Gandhiji's photo. They also show beautiful places from all across India. In this video, let's take a quick tour to monuments and places hidden on the back of our rupee notes. On the front side of all modern notes, we see Mahatma Gandhiji's photo. But on the back side, each note shows a different monument or landmark, representing India's culture, history and science. 10 rupee note has Konark Sun Temple. On the back, you will see a big wheel. This is from the Konark Sun Temple in Odisha. The temple is designed like a gaying stone chariot of a sun god. The beautifully carved wheels and horses. It is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most famous temples in India. Coming to next, 20 rupee note, Ellora Caves. Next, in the 20 rupees note on the back, the picture of Ellora Caves will be seen, which is near Aragund in Maharashtra. These are rock-cut caves with Hindu, Buddhist and Jain temples carved out of a single hill. Doesn't that seem amazing? They show how different religions lived together and created amazing art in ancient India. 50 rupees note, Hampi Stone Chariot. Now look at the 50 rupees note. You will find a famous stone chariot from Hampi, which is located in Karnataka. Hampi was once the capital of great Vijayanagara Empire and is full of temples and ruins. This stone chariot has become the symbol of Hampi and even appears in many tourists. 100 rupee note, Rani Ki Vav. So you can see the Queen's Stepwell in Patna, which is located in Gujarat. It is an underground stepwell built hundreds of years ago with many levels, pillars and beautiful sculptures. This place was hidden under mud and for a long time, and it was later rediscovered and restored. And today it is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Coming to next, 200 rupee note, you can see Sanchi Stupa, which is located in Madhya Pradesh. This is one of the oldest stone sculptures in India, built by Emperor Ashoka. It is an important Buddhist site and a symbol of peace and non-violence. Now coming to the note 500, which has Red Fort on the back, which is located in New Delhi. This fort was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Every year on August 15, India's Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag from the ramparts for this fort and addresses the nation. Now coming to the 2000 note. If you have 2000 note, then you can look at the back. You will see Mangalyaan, India's Mars orbiter mission. It celebrates India's achievement in space science, showing that our currency notes do not only show history but also modern scientific success. So next time when you hold a currency note in your hand, don't just see it as money. Look at all the small postcards from small part of India, a temple, a fort, a cave or even a space mission. Tell in the comment which of these places have you visited or which one would you like to visit first. If you found this video interesting, do like, share and subscribe. Be subscribed to my channel for more such amazing videos. Thank you.